I think a common theme is HR, as a rule, is kind of the redheaded stepchild in a company. Finance has to count the money, report the money, and the HR projects get dropped to the bottom of the stack. So the challenge is to continue to push technology and be more strategic to the business at the same time without a huge budget or any budget at all. 10, 12 years ago, our CEO, Larry Ellison, challenged us all to use our own product and roll our product in every country around the world in a single instance. He challenged us and said we could save $500 million. He was wrong. We actually saved $1 billion. It was a combination of our IT department, who did a fabulous job of rolling product out in a single instance around the world, and the business owners from HR, from finance, and purchasing, expense, to really agree on how we were going to do business as a global company. Not in my wildest dreams did I understand, when we did this journey 10 or 12 years ago, which was groundbreaking and an exciting project to be on, that it would prepare us for where we are today. So in the last 7 years, we're at 80 and counting of companies that we've acquired. And we could not have done these acquisitions with such speed had we not had the technology foundation that we built 10 years ago. It just wouldn't have happened. You think about it, we buy a company like Sun, I hire 28,000 people in one day. How do you make that work? And I can only make that work through technology. If I had to do that through paper, it would never work. When I talk to customers and you ask how are the best companies using HR technologies, one of your first step is transferring your business to self-service. When you've gone through it, you forget how underrated that is. To take your business from an administrative function to a strategic function, and how you can do compensation, stock planning, focal, through products. Another important best practice that HR leaders are using is social media. And social media isn't just for your college graduates. Look around. Our baby boomers on down are using Twitter and tweets and social media. It's something that's expected. It's a way to meet with people on projects, get information, navigate a company. Another hugely impactful thing is what you can do in HRM analytics. And bringing the talent in, retaining them, training them, and motivating and measuring them, and bringing that together where it's not just looking at turnover or have they done their mandatory training. What are they doing for their careers? How does that tie together? How does it measure against key indicators for a sales force? I think the best companies, how they deploy their HR technology has changed. It is not having your IT run, your HR system, and everything come out of there. Today, it can be on demand, it can be in the cloud. You can have portions of it that your IT group supports. For example, I run an Oracle HR environment. At the end of the year, I will go to Fusion for talent management. I will upgrade from where I am on product. We're going to do that in the cloud. We're not going to do that traditionally through IT. If you group all these technologies together, from self-service to onboarding to social media tools to analytics, talent management, wrap this all together, this gives you the competitive advantage in this very competitive marketplace of talent wars.